Hi, Step Successful family. It's me, Miss Sade, and
Anne-Marie. We hope you all are staying healthy. We can't wait to see you guys again.
So today, Anne-Marie and I made DIYs.
Do it yourself.
Letter cards. These cards would be all letters A through Z, where you have to find the picture that match the beginning sound to each letter. It's pretty fun and simple. I basically used everything I had in the house. I didn't have to purchase anything. Anne-Marie, my little helper, helped me a lot.
So here's all the materials you guys will need.
So we have scissors that we use to cut the construction paper out. We have a marker or a pen will work. And an old workbook that we found all the pictures in. You guys can cut the construction paper out any size you want.
But we decided to cut the paper out size 3x3.
So here you guys can see that we wrote each uppercase letter on each construction piece.
Then we opened up our workbook and we searched for pictures that have the same beginning sound for each letter.
We searched each page looking at all the pictures. Once we found the right picture, we decided to cut it out. It doesn't matter how you cut it, just cut it. My little helper, Anne-Marie, as you can see, helped me cut out all these wonderful pictures.
Once you got all your pictures cut out, lay them down on a table or floor, whichever way you want to play with them.
Now this is the fun part. Grab your letters and your pictures, choosing one letter at a time. Ask your little one, show me the picture that have the beginning sound of this letter. Letter G. They will grab it, find it, grab it, and put it with the correct letter. That's simple and so much fun.
Continue doing this for all 26 letters of the alphabet. When you are done, take a Ziploc bag and place them in a Ziploc so you can play with them later.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
See you guys soon. Remember what I said in the beginning of the video. Stay healthy and stay safe. We miss you guys. Bye.